Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Network and Sharing Center in Control Panel. This is where Windows 7 reports connection status. Click the active Wi-Fi link under Connections to open the status dialog. Once the status window appears, you'll see basic sent and received bytes. Make sure to note these values. If you need more detail, click the Details button to confirm adapter name and IPs. This places you at the exact interface Windows uses to track data per adapter before using Resource Monitor or third-party tools. Next, open Resource Monitor by typing Rismon in Start and pressing Enter. This tool breaks down network usage by process. Once in Resource Monitor, click the Network tab and focus on the processes with network activity and network activity tables. You'll see columns for send, receive, and total bytes per second. Sort these to find heavy consumers. Because Resource Monitor shows live traffic, make sure to watch for spikes while you recreate the activity you want to measure for accurate results. To finish, record the sent and receive totals shown in Status and monitor Resource Monitor for a session duration to calculate data usage. You can subtract start from end totals for a simple measurement. If you prefer continuous tracking, install a lightweight third-party meter like Networks to log session totals. If you see no traffic, make sure the Wi-Fi adapter driver is current and that VPN or firewall isn't blocking reporting. Reinstall or update the driver, and then repeat the monitoring steps to verify.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.